Alright, here we are at the Thomas Cove Coastal Reserve, a few kilometers from Economy in Nova Scotia. And we're out here doing a couple of the trail loops here today. We're going to do the Economy Trail, then we have the Headland Trail, and then was logged by horses back in the day. Now the forest is slowly recovering, but we'll see the typical mix of fir and birch and pine. The trail itself so far on the Economy Trail is narrow footpath like. Went through a muddy section, and but it looks like we're on the trail because we're seeing trail markers. And we timed our visit well because we're starting low tide, so we're getting more spectacular views of the cliffs. Windstorms, there's a lot of fallen trees along the trails, a lot of dead spruce and what have you there. So the trail is still marked. Don't know if I would walk this in the summertime though. Spring, this time of year, and fall would probably be the best times of year. Alright, so we just finished the Economy Trail. Pretty nice section of trail once you're in the inland. Once you're on the coastal section, you get a lot of fallen trees from storms and all that, so we actually had to do a lot of over and under fallen trees. So whenever they'll do trail maintenance here, that hopefully they'll open things up. So now we're on the Headlands Trail. Alright, we enjoyed a nice walk through denser forests, and now we're started on the loop, and you can see around me here the forest has changed completely.
You used to cut this and put it on a board and dry it, and then you would strop your knife or your razor after you sharpened it to hone it.
Alright, we are done. The Headlands Trail, much nicer, better maintained trail than the Economy Trail. We've done almost 8 kilometers of hiking. As always, you can check down in the description below for the GPS track file, and we'll see you next time.